Hi there. You want to welcome everybody to another episode of Chumley 105?
What?
Okay, but anyways, welcome back to Chumley 105. And what are we doing today, Ethan?
Chemtrails and riding.
That sounds like a good idea to me. It's beautiful weather, so. Your bike's smoking a little bit, pal, so what do you think's the matter with it?
Everything.
It's clapped, ain't it?
Yeah.
Brand new 2014, and it's clapped.
Yeah.
Pretty much. All right, let's get to riding. What's wrong? Dude, that's just the oil you put on your filter.
Should I wipe it off?
I mean, you might as well take your streamers there and put them to good use.
I mean, that's what they're there for.
Yeah, so, I mean, that, and I'd probably put your little strap thing back over so your throttle cable doesn't hold wide. No, it's not what I talk about when I say hold it wide at the end of the videos. That's not what I mean. Now, don't hit your header because that's really hot. Just get your side case there. There you go.
Perfect.
Here, let me look at it.
Yeah, bells probably need to be.
I think it's about time for a readjustment.
Knowing that I couldn't kick it over. Yeah.
That and some good new seals. It's probably in order. So, if you guys didn't know, it is a good idea to have you some streamers on your dirt bike.
Especially knowing that you're a rag boy.
Yeah, this kid's a rag boy, so he does with all the parts runs and getting the rags for everybody working in the shop, so that's what it's for. Perfect. Let me hit the jump. Suspension bottoming out. Just a little soft for jumps. Oh, ow, 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 that hurt. I'm casing, like right there. Dude, I'm casing so hard on that jump out there.
Which one?
The one out there in the field.
Yeah, Yeah, I did too. I just started straight up because I hit it wrong though.
My Nerf bars are going into the ground. Jake's on the 125. Oh gosh. Ow. Alright, you did turn the gas on. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, it's just wood.
Feather the clutch. It probably won't even catch in first. But just go ahead and start it then. Did you get her parked?
Oh yeah, she's here.
What do you think about her?
It's alright. It's me.
Just needs a little more first gear, a little less second gear.
Needs a lot more first gear.
A lot more first gear.
Like the whole first gear.
Right. Well, I mean, it makes sense, I guess. Well, we ready to go cut some trails?
Oh yeah. Hello.
What are you doing?
Clear trail, man.
You don't need a power saw to do this. Where's your safety goggles?
Why do we need that?
Safety first.
Yeah, we might need to though.
Yeah, I mean, we can do that. So we need to get some like new trail like layouts. I'll go. Like we need to cut something new. Need something fresh, I feel.
This trail don't even need cut out, buddy.
Buddy, looky there. That's a dang.
Like it's safety goggles.
Well, we should have had our safety goggles on. See, we could clear this out again.
What this?
Well, this right here, I made me a little small hill climb. You know,
I remember when you did that.
back in the day.
That's too much.
You're too much. While we're doing this right now.
What?
See, while we're doing this,
That's windy, man. Now you hit wrong.
why trail maintenance is important. Just a little bit, don't you? Alright, so as far as I know, that's all the maintenance we're doing today, so I guess we'll go ahead and cut the video. Mr. Meltion, would you like to send us out?
Huh?
What?
I was listening to music.
Oh, okay. Eton, would you like to send us out today?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us how we're doing.